Welcome to my AndWin channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix this file is too big to recycle. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing an error while deleting any larger file on your PC and the error you get on the screen is this file is too big to recycle, do you want to delete it permanently? Then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to right click on your recycle bin and click on properties. Here you need to select your drive which Windows has been installed on. I had installed Windows on my C drive, so I'll select C drive. After that you can see custom size. You just need to increase this number. Guys, you just need to do a simple thing. Just you need to increase this space from here. Just change the value and increase whatever you want. After that, click on apply and click OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix this file is too big to recycle. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.